So let's get into this. I have something very exciting. A Mary Kay box. First of all, Mom and I just got into business together with starting her Mary Kay business. So I got this really nice Mary Kay little headband. So I'm gonna show you this before I open the box. I don't have it all flipped around. Anyways, okay. Okay, so inside this fun box we have, which I already did my makeup today, but I got a new Mary Kay mascara. It's Lash Love Lengthening mascara. It doesn't have a color, it's just black mascara. And then translucent loose powder, which I'm not wearing today because I didn't have it yet, so I used my air spray. It's fine. And then as a gift, Mom got me this cleansing brush because I don't have one. I've just been using my hands, which is fine. But this is really, really nice. So thanks, Mom. Okay, so next is a Microdermabrasion, if I said that correctly, plus set. It's with their TimeWise thing. And then also their Acne. I don't know if it's TimeWise. It's not. It's just their Acne treatment gel and clarifying cleanser and clear proof acne system. I'm just so excited to start this. And then this one is their deep cleansing charcoal mask, which is really awesome. I've used my mom's that came with her first box, and it's really nice. Like the little spots of acne that you have, it like not bubbles like peroxide, but it like turns white like peroxide, even though your whole face is gray from the charcoal. But I don't know, it's really cool. We also have Mary Kay Medium Coverage Foundation, which with acne, I'm usually not okay with medium coverage. I need lots of coverage, but I've been finding out that Mary Kay, their makeup is not clay-based like most makeup. It's water-based. So with just a little, well, you can use how much foundation you want. That's up to you. But if you use just foundation, and then I also got some kind of, oh, this thing, she brought it in later. It didn't come in this box, it came in the other one. The Perfecting Concealer. If you use the concealer, foundation, and then translucent loose powder, it's amazing, and you look great. This is the medium coverage, and we'll see how that is. And then we got the Mary Kay Satin Lips, a Shea Butter Balm, but before that you use the Shea Sugar Scrub. Shea Sugar Scrub. Shea Sugar Scrub. Shea Sugar Scrub. Okay. Use the Sugar Scrub before the lip balm. So I'm just so excited to get this going. Let's go. So as I unbox these things, because this is an unboxing video, I'm going to share with you mine and my mom's Mary Kay story. Anyways, she got into it first and like went to a party and was like, I need to get in this. And like the same week I was like, yeah, I'll go into business with you. Like, why not? Let's do this. Like, why not? Let's go. And then I went to a training thing with her. Like every Monday they have training for Mary Kay people. I don't know, I've only been to it once, and it was like an appreciation, a guest appreciation, and oh, it came with batteries. A lot of things are like, batteries not included, but Mary Kay's like, who has batteries just laying around? You'd have to go out and buy it. Look at how adorable this is. Mary Kay. That's so cute. What did I do? I don't know. I ate shrimp today, and if you know me, I've been vegan it's been since the summer, and maybe eating shrimp is making me break out. I don't know. Probably not. Probably not, but I don't know. This is where the truth comes out, ladies. I went to a Halloween thing tonight at my mom's work, so that's where all this makeup came from. So this is the Mary Kay makeup remover. It's not oil-based. It's nice. Soothing. I'm gonna scoop back so you don't see all that up close. We're gonna try this bad boy. Okay, this is the Clarifying Cleansing Gel. Is that first? I don't know. And then Blemish Control Toner. Treatment Gel. That's the same thing. No, it's not. And Oil-Free Moisturizer. I guess you put that on your blemishes. Let's go! Now we're going to use the Blemish Control Toner. Moisten cotton ball with product, then apply to entire affected area. Smells good. Cool. Acne Treatment Gel. Now we're gonna do the Mary Kay Satin Lips. Oh, it's so cute. This is the Shea Sugar Scrub. Okay. And then after the sugar scrub, you do the Shea Butter Balm, and then we'll be done. Cute. Nice. That's good. I like it all. We'll see how it works. So it is the morning. So it's the first time that I've woken up after using the Clearproof Acne System. Let me tell you, I see a big difference. We can't really tell, but I can. The few spots are not as raised, not as red, because I really didn't have anything active on my face anyways. It was just already past and healing, and so these spots are, I think I can see a difference for sure. I'm trying to get up closer. I still have this. I'm never using that mascara again. It's terrible. I don't think you can really tell, but I can tell. So I'm going to be documenting how my face looks with the Acne System with Mary Kay. For about a week I was using their TimeWise regular. It's not the like deep aging, it's just the 18 to 25, something like that, like age group that would be good to use. This is always keep down aging. So this compared to this, I really like this. I think it was cleaning my face really well. I wasn't getting any breakouts while I was using this. I did see with this, my face was brighter, it smelled really good, so soft, so soft. With this, I see a difference in my acne spots, and that's what you want to see when it says Clarifying Cleansing Gel Acne Medications. That's the kind of results you want to see, so I'm really impressed.